Welcome to another mystery tasting. We don't know what's under that bowl, but we hope that it's candy. Bird's nest, white fungus drink.
This is going to be your drink. I'm going.
A white fungus drink? Well, if it's some kind of fungus drink, I hope it's sweetened a lot. This is called bird's nest. I heard about some birds that lived in caves that made nests with their spit, that their nests were worth a lot. And rich people had bird's nest soup. Maybe this is a diluted version of that. So they're worth as much as silver. I don't know why they would pay that much for bird's spit. I don't know if I want to drink this now.
I don't think so. Hey, you also have a bird on your map. You drink it. You drink it. You drink it!
You drink your bird spit drink.
I'm not drinking bird spit. you bird spit. You're gonna drink bird spit.
Come back here. Come on.
Glug it up. Glug. What does it look like? Does it look disgusting?
Well, there's something in it.
Yeah. Maybe a bird's wing.
It's kind of sweet.
Oh. Just chug a nugget and see how you like it.
You taste it. It's kind of sweet.
Chug a nug.
I ate something that was probably part of the bird's nest.
It's okay. Yucky!
It has little chunks of bird's nest in it. See?
Yeah.
It is kind of nasty drinking a bird's nest that's made out of spit.
This isn't terrible, it's just kind of strange. Let's have a chug-a-nug challenge. If you think I can chug-a-nug this faster than Ludwig, give us a thumbs up.
You need to actually chug-a-lug it for it to be a chug-a-lug challenge. Alistair, you're not allowed to drink it and then spit it out. That doesn't count.
I'm almost done with my drink now. I'm gonna drink this up more. Even more. I won! I won! I won! I won!
Alistair won because he cheated. That's why I really won. So you should give this video a thumbs down. For more fun, or for more of Alistair cheating, subscribe to our channel. Whoa! Oh look, another chicken's here. I'll switch this chicken with that chicken.